Charlene Davison, and today I'm going to be telling you about the game called Hit the Target, which I created. This game is for a grade 2 classroom in term 4. Some content areas that we will be looking at according to our CAPS document is addition and subtraction and mental maths. And as the game gets a bit more difficult, we can also add multiplication. Some values and topics that we're going to be learning in this lesson according to our CAPS document is quick recall addition to 20, which is on page 327. Adding to 99 and subtracting from 99 on page 319. The learners will be able to use appropriate symbols on page 59. They will also be practicing their calculation strategies such as doubling, which is on page 23. And as the game gets harder, they will be using multiplication from 1 to 10 by 2, 5, 3, and 4, which is on page 50. So, how do we play Hit the Target? First, we are going to need a dice. Each student will need a dice, and they don't need this size. They can have a smaller one so that they can use it at their desks. They can play by themselves or they can play in pairs for some more fun. We are going to begin by rolling the dice. Then we are going to double the number that we get. We are going to write down that sum and the answer. So if we rolled a 2, 2 plus 2 would equal 4. So that's our sum and that's our answer. Now we are going to roll the dice again. And we're going to double that number we get again. We're going to write the sum and the answer down. So if we roll the dice again and we got a 5, double 5 is 5 plus 5, which will equal 10. And there's our answer. Now we are going to add our answers together. So if our first answer was 4 and our second answer was 10, we will say 10 plus 4 equals 14. And that is our new number. We are going to keep rolling until you reach the target number. The target number can be chosen by the teacher in the first round to give an example, and it can be chosen by the students when they are doing it independently. So you need to try to hit the target number to win the game, or try to get to as close to it as possible. In this game, if the target number was 20 and we were at 14, we would need to roll the dice again to try and get as close as possible to 20. So in grade 2, the learners can go up to 99. So with their addition and subtraction, you could use target numbers like 40 or 60 or even 88. The bigger the number, the longer the game is going to take. As the students get more comfortable with the game, you can start using multiplication. So for example, if our target number was 50 and I rolled a 5, 5 times 10 would equal 50, which means I win. So they could maybe have their multiplication charts to help them if they are still new to multiplication, but in grade 2, term 4, they should be well on their way to learning multiplication. So I hope you enjoyed the game. Hit the target, like and follow.